preparing a phosphate buffer in this video. First, I take the chemical list and locate the necessary chemicals. Then place them on the bench. Basically, PBS or Phosphate-Buffered Saline is commonly used in biochemical and biological research because it's isotonic and non-toxic to most cells. Phosphate and its salts can help to maintain a stable pH. Preparing it as a 10 times concentrate is practical since we can quickly dilute it as needed, and it also saves storage space. Now I'm adding distilled water. Depending on your experimental design, you can also use ultra-pure water. Since someone else used the pH meter before me, I'm not calibrating it. I can rinse the probe and use it directly. I start with 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid, but it is too weak acid for the 10 times concentrated buffer. So I switch to a stronger acid. The main stock hydrochloric acid is approximately 12 molar, and even a few drops can cause a dramatic drop in pH. In the buffering range, however, PBS shows minimal pH changes. I finally reached the desired value. And there you have it. The PBS buffer is ready to use.